Hey guys, what's up? So to show you guys how to add blur background effect on an app called InShot. So this app is actually inside the App Store. It's free to download. There's just a VIP you guys can purchase for premium, but I don't believe this does require you to have VIP or premium. They have like a month, I think like a yearly trial. Then they have a one-time payment of like $30 or $35. So you can see that on top with like the little crown right there. So just open up the app. Like I said, it's called InShot. You search up inside the App Store. So we guess you search it up really quickly. InShot, just like that. And this is it right here, InShot. So tap on open. There you go, 1 year. You also have a free trial to see if you like it or not. It's actually a good video editor app, but I just use it just for this purpose right here. I prefer QCut Pro, and this is the only feature I really like about this app, which I'm going to show you. So Viva Video, it's called Viva Video, which I'm going to show you here. This is good for portrait videos, as in the background blur effect, but the InShot does landscape video effects for the background, which I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So it's not, I mean, the landscape's not really necessary because it takes up the whole screen already. But with Via Video, I already have it installed. Via Video, I know it doesn't say it, but this app right here, this is good for, like, if just for like portrait videos, it does the background, because you have that black space, so it closes up most of the space with that blur effect, which I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So we'll go back to the app. What you guys are going to do is you go to the video, and then I do already have a video right here, but I'm just going to tap on none. You select on your video, and then once you guys select your video, you're going to have this thing right here and this on the bottom. So what you guys want to do is actually just tap on canvas, right? And then you want to tap on background, and then you literally just zoom out the background. So we're going to play it. So we're zooming it right now. So you could like leave it how you want to zoom it. And you tap the pause. You can see the background. It's literally, the background is literally like blurring it. So you have that blur effect in the background. So just like that, I guess you can adjust it. You can do like that, you can zoom in more, or have like low out, like just like that. And we have that little blur effect in the background. So that's how you guys do it. It's really simple and easy. On the down here, you can change the blur effect on the bottom. See where I'm tapping down here. So these three right here, how blurry you want it, like that. I like it a little blurry. So I like it like this one right here, like a little blurry. So it has a cool effect in the background. I like it. And yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you want to do, this is for like landscape videos, but if you want to do portrait, which is just, like portrait, which is not landscape videos, you want to use app called Viva Video for that. But yeah, catch you guys next one. Peace.